Quick note: the following is a presentation for entertainment purposes only. Copyright notice: do not distribute my videos in whole, as it is prohibited. If you copy my video, your video will get taken down. Important note: this video will contain valid EAS emergency alert system tones. If you play these tones on the air, these tones may activate same tech that activates the emergency alert system. If you play these tones on the air, you may be fined or arrested, as playing valid EAS tones on the air is a federal crime.
We have dropped our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Good evening, my fellow Americans. We are very sorry to interrupt your Christmas programming, but this is a national emergency. Santa has betrayed us and has started attacking our nation. He has been killing anybody in their path. In addition, he is also exploding all Christmas trees in sight. The way he does this is by ultraviolet technology, by using eyes with lasers to completely obliterate anything within a 1-kilometer radius of the explosion. This is an extremely dangerous situation. All residents of the United States must shelter in place immediately and lock all doors and windows. Turn off all lights and cover all windows with blinds. If Santa attacks you, call 911. But we could get through this no matter what. The United States' structural integrity is one of the strongest, if not the strongest in the world, and we have the largest military in the world. We will get through this. We have been through many tragedies, but we have come back stronger than ever. It has been reported that over 1 million people have died from Santa going berserk and attacking our nation. This tragedy may be worse than 9/11, but we can do this. We can. This concludes my message. May God bless the United States of America.